Keep watching to see how we turn these two ordinary pumpkins into the cutest little pumpkin, Shark and Panda. Stay tuned.
What a wonderful world. What a wonderful world.
Alright, so these are the 3 kits that I got from Dollar Tree, and I asked my daughter which one she wanted to do first, and she said the shark one. So we're going to start with that. So what you're going to do is get some blue paint. Acrylic paint works best because if you use washable paint, it might wash away after you put it on your porch. So use acrylic paint. Alright, so I ended up mixing this acrylic paint with some white paint because it was a little too dark and I wanted to match the actual color of the kit. Oh, and I did add a light blue because I ended up having a light blue, so I added a little bit of that on the top, and there's the color that we got. Well, honestly, a blue and a white will probably make this color as well, but just keep mixing till you get the desired color you want and have your child start painting. There she is, so cute. Look at my baby, she loves to paint. Because we're going to decorate 2 pumpkins, we're going to go ahead and paint the other one as well while we have our paint out for the Panda Pumpkin that we're going to decorate. And if you're going to do the same thing, I suggest you just paint both while you got your paint out. That way you can just wait for them to dry at the same time. So we're going to go ahead and get started with the Panda Pumpkin, and this is what came in the kit, the Dollar Tree kit. So there's stickers. So what you're going to do is have your child put the eyes on the black shape for the panda's eyes. So then what I did was I took some hot glue and I put the panda's hands and mouth on, and now when it came to the eyes, I realized it was too big. I was not able to put those big ol' eyes on that little pumpkin, so I ended up cutting it. So now what I'm doing is just trying to see if it's small enough to fit on our tiny little pumpkin. Now if you have a normal sized pumpkin, like a big pumpkin or a medium sized pumpkin, you won't have to cut this, but my daughter picked out 2 little itty bitty pumpkins at the pumpkin patch, so now we just gotta make do. So yeah, just cut it a little small like you saw I did and just hot glue it on there. Now you're gonna work on the ears. So we're gonna take the pink pieces and put them in the black pieces to make the ears, and then we're gonna hot glue those on too. So put some hot glue on the ears on the bottom part of them and stick them on the pumpkin, and that is it. You're done. Cute, right? Now let's work on this shark pumpkin. Alright, so here's what came inside the shark kit. We got 2 fins and a top fin. The top fin is that kind of round triangular one. And then I don't know how I ended up with 3 sheets of the stickers, but I guess the company must have messed up and ended up giving us 3 sheets. So I'm gonna use the other 2 sheets for another craft later, but you only need 1 sheet, honestly. So you can put the other 2 aside if you end up getting 3 like us. Now one thing I want to point out is make sure you put the actual fins on the side, where not the top fin, but the 2 kind of curved triangles, they go on the side. After we put the nose on, the last thing to do is put the mouth on, and you have to hot glue it because it's not a sticker. So after we hot glue the mouth, you would think we'd be done, right? No. My daughter saw these little algae and coral or whatever those things are called, and she said, let's put that on the back. And I was like, all right, fine, nobody's gonna see it, so I let her put it on the back. But if y'all want to do a backdrop, I guess you could use it for a backdrop of some sort, but that's just what it looks like. But these are the final looks of our pumpkins. Aren't they cute? I love them. They turned out perfectly. So this literally took no time. The longest thing I think is painting the pumpkins. And after you paint the pumpkins, then putting all the accessories on is like a snap. So please tag me on Instagram when you guys post pictures of your adorable pumpkins. My Instagram is in the description box below. And don't forget to check out my other videos and like and subscribe to this channel. Y'all know y'all love me. And I'll see you next time. Bye.